Today I shall discuss some important formulas of trigonometry. Now ABC is a right triangle where angle B equal to 90 degree. And now in trigonometry there are 6 ratios which are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Now this angle is 90 and this angle I have assumed theta. Okay. Now the side opposite to the angle theta is perpendicular is P, and other side which form the right triangle is B, and the side opposite to the 90 degree angle is H for hypotenuse. Now a formula is sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. The theta opposite to the angle theta is perpendicular, so sin theta equal to P by H. Cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse, so it is B by H. Tan theta equal to perpendicular by base, that is P by B. And cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, so it is H by P. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, so it is H by B. And cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, that is B by P. Now trigonometric ratios of 30 degree angle. Now here ABC is a equilateral triangle. So AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to 2A, and the AD is perpendicular to BC. We know the altitude of a equilateral triangle bisect the base. So BD equal to CD equal to A. This angle is 60 because each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. And triangle ABD and triangle ACD are two congruent triangle. So this angle is 90 and angle BAD equal to angle CAD. So whole angle is 60, so this is 30-30. And by in other way of triangle ABD, this angle is 90, this 60. So by the law of a triangle, it is 30 degree because sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now in right triangle ADB, AD equal to root under AB square minus BD square by Pythagoras theorem. So 2A whole square, that is 4A square minus A square, root 3A square, that is A root 3. So I have written here A root 3. Now sin 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree and the side opposite to the 30 degree angle is perpendicular. So sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse means P by H. So BD by AB. So it is A by 2A by figure, and it is A cancel half. So sin 30's value is half. Now cos 30. You have to remember these values, but how the formulas or values are derived, that I am going to describe. Now cos 30 equal to here B by A, so this is P. Opposite side is P, so AD is the B. So AD by AB, that is A root 3 by 2A, A cancel, root 3 by 2. And tan 30 equal to P by B. So this is P, this is B, BD by AD. So A by A root 3, A cancel, 1 by root 3. Now cosec 30. Cosec is theta is always reciprocal of sin theta. So cosec 30 equal to just reverse of sin 30, AB by BD. So 2A by A, 2. And cosec 30 degree equal to reciprocal of cos 30 degree. So it is AB by BD. AB by AD. AB by AD. Okay. Now 2A by A root 3, that is A cancel, 2 by root 3. And cot 30 is the reciprocal of tan 30. So it is AD by BD. So A root 3 by A cancel, root 3. Now you have to remember main thing. Sin 30 equal to half, cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2, tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3, cosec 30 equal to 2, sec 30 2 by root 3, cot 30 root 3. How it has derived, I have done, but values you have to remember all the time. Now trigonometry ratios of 60 degree. ABC is a right equilateral triangle. So each angle is 60 degree and AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to 2A, and this altitude AD bisect the base BC. So BD equal to CD equal to A. Same thing. Now this angle is 60 degree. So sine, and I have derived the value of AD, which is A root 3. So sine 60 equal to AD by BD, perpendicular AD by AB, perpendicular by hypotenuse. AD by AB, so A root 3 by 2A, that is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 equal to BD by AB, that is base by hypotenuse. A by 2A half. And tan 60 equal to perpendicular by base, so AD by BD, A root 3 by A, that is root 3. Now cosec 60 is the reciprocal of sin 60, so it is just reverse AB by AD, and 2A by A root 3, that is 2 by root 3. And sec 60 equal to converse of reciprocal of cos 60, so AB by BD, 2A by A, 2. And cot 60 BD by AD, A by A root 3 equal to 1 by root 3. Now trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. Triangle ABC is a isosceles right triangle. So this angle is 90 and AB equal to BC equal to A. Of an isosceles right triangle, two base angles are same, which are 45 degree. So this A, and by Pythagoras theorem, AC equal to root under A square plus A square. That is 2A square, and it is A root 2. Okay. Now sin 45 degree equal to BC by AC. So A by A root 2, that is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 equal to AB by AC, base by hypotenuse. So A by A root 2, same value, A cancel, 1 by root 2. Tan 45 equal to perpendicular by base. So BC by AB, both are same, A by A 1. Cosec 45 is the reciprocal of sin 45. So it is 1 by root 2. This will be root 2 by 1, that is root 2. Sec 45 is the reciprocal of cos 45. So reciprocal of 1 by root 2, that is root 2. Cot 45 equal to reciprocal of tan 45, that is reciprocal of 1, that is A 1. The A by A 1. Okay. Now trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. Of triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. Okay. So sum of the angles of A plus C must be 90, because the sum of these three angle is 180, one angle is 90, so sum of the other two angle must be 90. So this is theta. So sin theta equal to BC by AC, that okay, and sin 90 minus theta, sin theta, then cos theta. Cos theta equal to AB by AC, AB by AC, and tan theta equal to, in this figure, BC by AB. And now sin 90 minus theta, you look here, is AB by AC, because perpendicular by hypotenuse, and from this angle, this is the perpendicular. Sin 90 minus theta, so this will be opposite side is the perpendicular. So AB by AC, and cos 90 minus theta BC by AC, and tan 90 minus theta AB by BC. Now cosec theta equal to just reverse of sin theta. So AC by BC, sec theta equal to AC by AB, just convert reciprocal of cos theta, and cot theta equal to AB by BC, and then all of the angles I have done. Cosec 90 minus theta equal to reciprocal of sin 90 minus theta, that is AC by AB. Sec 90 minus theta equal to AC by BC, reciprocal of cos 90 minus theta, and cot 90 minus theta equal to BC by AB. Now you look, sin theta, which is BC by AC, and cos 90 minus theta equal to also BC by AC. So sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. So a formula creates, and is some same cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta and sin 90 minus theta both are AB by AC. So another formula creates, And again tan theta and cot 90 minus theta are equal. You look here, tan theta and cot 90 minus theta, both are same. So tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. Same, you look here by this, cosec theta equal to sec 90 minus theta and sec theta equal to cosec 90 minus theta, and cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta. So these formulas you have to remember, and how these formulas derived I have discussed above. Okay. Now other trigonometry formula. In right triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus these are trigonometric identities. By in right triangle ABC, B equal to 90 degree. So AB and BC create the 90 degree angle, and AC is the hypotenuse. So AB square plus BC square equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. Now dividing both sides by AC square. All the terms are divided by AC square. So AB square by AC square, you look here by figure, AB square by AC square equal to cos A square. Here BC square by AC square equal to sin A square, and this is 1. I have assumed the angle A theta. So it is cos square theta, this is sin square theta equal to 1. This is one of the formula of identities. Again, I have written the same, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Now both of the terms are divided by AB square. So look here, all the terms are divided by AB square. So AB square by AB square 1, BC square by AB square, you look here, BC square by AB square equal to tan square theta, BC square by AB square tan square theta, and this is sec square theta. So another formula creates, so 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So you have to learn this. Again I have written the statement by Pythagoras theorem. Now dividing both sides by BC square. Now AB square by BC square, as per figure it is cot square theta, and this is 1 and this is cosec square theta as per figure. So 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta, another formula creates. Now other formulas, again I have discussed sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Second formula, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and 1 equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. These are the important formulas. Number 3, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. So 1 equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Now another formula, sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1, because sin theta and cosec theta are just reciprocal of each other. So this product of these two terms is 1 ratio. So sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta and cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Now again another formula, tan theta into cot theta equal to 1, that is tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta and cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Next formula, cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. So cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta and sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. And now next formula, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Whatever the formula I have discussed, main 8 formulas are important for class 10. Okay. So I have discussed all the formulas which are necessary for class 10. Okay.